Good morning, everyone. I am John Ivan Aristopia from Bainte Culinary 1F. So, today, I'll be sharing my understanding of CWTS to orientation. After carefully reviewing the documents, I learned that the Civic Welfare Training Service, or CWTS, is one of the components of the National Service Training Program, or NSTP. This program plays a significant role in shaping students not only academically, but also morally, socially, and nationally. So, the primary goals of NSTP is to transform the youth into responsible citizens who embody values of being God-fearing, patriotic, humane, and environmentally conscious. So, the program aims to develop students who are not only knowledgeable but also committed to contributing to both local and national development. NSTP prepares students to become active participants in nation building. It promotes civic responsibility, leadership, discipline, and preparedness during times of emergency. It promotes It teaches students that education is not only about earning a degree, but also about serving the community and the country. The general objectives of CWTS focus on developing civic consciousness and patriotism among students by encouraging active involvement in community service and development activities. So the program also prepares students for national defense and emergency preparedness, equipping them with the skills and knowledge needed to respond responsibly during disaster, crisis, and other emergency situations. Another objectives of CWTS is to develop well-trained, organized, and motivated individuals who can work effectively as a team. Through this, students strengthen their leadership, communication, and organizational skills. So, lastly, CWTS promotes lifelong learning, critical thinking, and social responsibility, preparing students not only for academic success but for real life challenges. So, CWTS is specifically on improving community welfare. Students are involved in projects related to health, education, environmental protection, safety and security, entrepreneurship, recreation, and social services. Through these activities, students are encouraged to apply their academic knowledge to real life community situation. Instead of learning only theoretical concept, students bring their knowledge into communities to create meaningful and lasting impact. So CWTS also promotes partnership with local organization and communities, teaching students how to communicate, coordinate, and collaborate with different stakeholders. So, program of activities in second semester academic year 2025 to 2026 is the orientation outlines the planned activities for the semester, beginning with first is the preparation of program of activities, the formulation of the syllabus, then target setting for January to June 2026. Physical organization and course orientation. So students are introduced to NSTP policies, expectations, and overall structures of the program. So one of the major components in CWTS community immersion, where students are required to present and defend group activity proposal, prepares documentary requirements for out campus or inside the campus, then implement approved projects, conduct community immersion activities, submit narrative reports, present project outputs, and participate in CWTS graduation. So, health awareness and social issues. So, the program also includes health awareness discussion and important topics such as the COVID-19 and its impact, HIV and AIDS awareness, dengue fever prevention, sexual and reproductive health education, healthy lifestyle promotion, tuberculosis awareness, violence against women and children, teenage pregnancy, bloodletting, Tobacco Regulation Act of 2003, and first aid and emergency response. So, this discussion helps students understand current health risk and learn how to prevent life threatening situation within their communities. So, we're going here at the next, the community immersion. So, community immersion is one of the most important requirements in CWTS. Through this activity, students learn the principle of community development and social change. Students are required to represent and defend their project proposal clearly and confidently. So during implementation, they must work closely with community members, gather feedback, and adjust plans when necessary to ensure that the project truly benefit the community. After completing the activity, students reflect on the outcomes, evaluate the project's impact, and prepare a comprehensive narrative report. So, this process helps students grow both personally and socially. So, the grading system. The NSTP uses a numerical grading system approved by the university. However, NSTP grades are not included in computation of the general weight average or the GWA. So student must complete 6 units of NSTP as a requirement for graduation. Failure to complete the program means that a student cannot graduate, and the grading system is portfolio based, which include documentation of activities, in outputs, participation, and accomplishments throughout the semester. So attendance is also strictly monitored. 3 consecutive unexcused in being dropped or failed. Accumulating 20% absences leads to automatic dropping. Habitual tiredness may result in disciplinary action. So the rules and regulations. The orientation emphasize strict compliance with rules and regulations to ensure safety, discipline, and professionalism. General policy. Only approved projects are allowed, and students must always act representative of the institution. Attendance and punctuality. Students must attend all activities on time. Absence require valid excuse letters with supporting documents. So, proper conduct and discipline. Student must show respect to the instructors, and community members, avoid rude or aggressive behavior, refrain from gambling, smoking, drinking alcohol, and using illegal drugs. Avoid bullying and harassment. Uniform and identification. Proper CWTS uniform and school ID must be worn at all times during official activities. Safety and security. Students must remain approve project plans. Any changes required written approval. So funds and materials must be used responsibly and daily logs with photo documentation and required off-campus activities. Parents' consents, forms, and barangay permits are necessary before conducting activities outside the campus. Students must also respect community rules and curfews. Violations of the policies may lead to warning, suspension, project failure, or referral to the student discipline office. Overall understanding. From the CWTS2 orientation, I have learned that this subject is not just an academic requirement, but a training ground for responsible citizenship. CWTS helps develop my character, leadership, discipline, teamwork, and compassion. It prepares us to become socially aware individuals who are actively participate in community development. The program teaches that education is not only about personal success, but also about serving others and contributing to national progress. So, overall, CWTS2 plays a vital role in shaping students into responsible, organized, and patriotic citizens who are ready to make positive impact in society. Through community service, health awareness, and civic engagement, students gain valuable life skills that will guide them beyond the classroom and into their future roles as members of the nation. So that's all. Thank you.